Hello friends, how are all of you? I hope you are enjoying your time. I'm fine. Today I have come to show you how to do passage narration, how to answer in passage narration. We all know detached narration, but in passage narration we face problem. That's why I have come here today to help you in this case. I hope you will understand well. At first, I am going to tell you that three sentences are given there. Three sentences, such as in reported speech, assertive 1, assertive 2, assertive 3. Three assertive sentences are given there. A person is telling three sentences there. At that time, how can we do that? He said to me that you are a good student. I have changed it. For second sentence, I have to write again reporting verb. He also said that. Again, I have changed it. You have always helped me. You have always helped me. I always helped him. For three number sentence, he again said that he liked me. So, if we find a person is telling three sentences or saying three sentences at the same time, he said to me that, he also said that, he again said that. In this way we have to write. Okay, if we find three interrogative sentences at one stage, he asked me, he asked me, then first one interrogative sentence I will change according to the rule. Then if I find in second sentence again interrogative sentence, he also asked me, then I will change it if or whether or WS word in that way. If I find three number sentences also in interrogative sentence, at that time he again asked me if or why. In this way we will change that. But you can say that, sir, in sometimes we see that added, further added. Actually, he said to me that, he also said that, he again said that. But he told me that, he added that, he further added that. You can maintain also this sequence. He further added that. But I feel easy to use he said to me that, or he said that, he also said that, he again said that. I think this one is easy. Okay, if I get one after another assertive sentences, at that time he said to me that, or I said that, I also said that, I again said that. In interrogative sentence, if I get there interrogative sentence one after another, I asked if or whether or why or when, I also asked, I again asked, in this way. Okay. But if you want to use added or further added, you can do that, no problem. But in many cases students are afraid to use actually different expressions there. You have to think that two persons are talking, and as third person you are writing that, you are changing into indirect narration. So nothing else. You should not be afraid of that. You should not have any type of confusion. Just two persons are talking, as third person you are expressing their discussion, nothing else. Okay. I think that you can understand. If I get one after another assertive sentence, he said to me that, he also said that, he again said that, in this way. If interrogative sentence, he asked me, he also asked me, he again asked me. If you say that, sir, the first sentence is in interrogative sentence, second one is in assertive, and third one is also assertive, what will be at that time? First one is interrogative, okay, he asked me. Second one is assertive, he asked me, I will change the reported speech. Then he asked me, I will change that one, interrogative sentence. then second sentence is in assertive. At the time I will write reporting verb. He also said that. He also said that. Then I will change the second sentence in reported speech. For third sentence is in assertive sentence. At the time I will write I again said that. In this way, if you say that, sir, assertive sentence is given, imperative sentence is given. He said to me, always speak the truth. I like it. I like it. Another sentence. He advised me to speak always, to speak the truth always. Okay. He also said that he liked it. In this, whatever interrogative, imperative, exclamatory, right according to the role. Then if we find, if you find assertive sentence, at the time right, he also said that. If you find again another assertive sentence, at the time right, he again said that. If you say that, sir, I see exclamatory sentence at first, then assertive sentence, again assertive sentence. At first he exclaimed with joy that I will change the exclamatory sentence into assertive. Then I will write he also said that. Then he again said that. In this way, try to change. I will show an exercise later. But I would like to tell you that, see, I have told you that in your own way express what they are talking. Oh, it's very pathetic. He exclaimed with sorrow that it was very pathetic. Oh, it is very nice. He exclaimed with joy that it was very nice. In that way, just try to change. It will not be so difficult. If you say that, sir, I see operative sentence at first, then assertive, then interrogative. Okay, at first you have to change. He prayed that. In that way, operative sentence you have changed. Then you see assertive sentence. He also said that. Then you see that interrogative sentence. He again asked. In this way, change the sequence. I think it will not be so problem. Okay, now we are going to do exercise. Later I will discuss again. Here I think that you can see properly. Okay. Exercise. Hello Rafi, where are you going? I am looking for you, said I. Why? Only one word has been used there. You have to elaborate it in full sentence. Said Rafi, could you accompany me to go to marketplace? Said I. That means this sentence is an absolutely imperative sentence, though it is seen as interrogative sentence. Oh, it's fantastic, said Rafi. Let me take a back, said I. Okay, Rafi. So, hello Rafi, that means drawing attention. Drawing attention. Drawing attention to Rafi. I asked or wanted to know. I asked where he was going. Where he was going. Full stop. I also said that. I was looking for him. Why? Said Rafi. See, Rafi asked why I was looking. This one. Why I was looking. In this way, try to change. Why I was looking. Because why, this interrogative sentence or interrogator is focusing on this fact. Why I was looking for him. Could you please, that is absolutely imperative sentence. I requested him to accompany me to go to to go to market. Oh, it's very fantastic. Rafi exclaimed with joy that it was fantastic. It was fantastic. Let me take a back. I said that I might take a bag. Okay, Rafi said. Rafi agreed. In this way you have to. You are absolutely free. You should not have any confusion or fear there. The target is what two persons are talking, you are expressing it as third person, nothing else. And you have to be careful enough that what type of word is actually expressing what type of sense. If you think in that way, I think that there will not be any problem. See, I am teaching you many roles here, but I haven't learned from any source all types of roles. I am teaching you some roles through my creativity. So the target is what two people are talking, I am expressing that as third person. That's enough. I think that there will not have any type of problem to understand. If you feel problem, if you have any question to know, write on comment box. I'm always ready to help you, dear, because I am on this platform to help you. Again, I will come back with another topic. I think you have enjoyed. Watch the video time and again. Try to understand. A little bit difficult, but not impossible. So try to understand. And if you have any question, write on comment box. If you think that the content is useful, the lessons which I am uploading to my YouTube channel, if you think that those are useful, please subscribe my channel to motivate, to inspire me. I will come back again with another topic. Till then, bye bye.